Yeah, it is usually around 50 meter to 100 meter in the open cast mines also. This is the road that they have made dedicated for this coal mine only, to reach this coal mine. And you can just see that this is the conveyor belt. This is around 20 kilometers that a man is saying that it is around 20 kilometers in length, and this goes right up to that Sasan project. And we'll just take a look and see how it is there. Let's move fast. चलो भैया फटाफट चलो। अच्छा ये वो सासन की प्लांट की है यार, ये सासन प्लांट का है यार, ये ओबी डंप है। दिस इज द ओबी डंप दैट दे आर हैविंग एंड इट्स अ वेरी ह्यूज एरिया। एंड दिस ये सड़क उन्होंने उसी के शंकर जी इसी के लिए बनाई है ना। और ये करीबन 20 किलोमीटर इनका कन्वेयर है। एंड दिस इज कवर्ड कन्वेयर। आई विल जस्ट शो यू व्हेन वी गो स्लाइटली एड दैट दिस कन्वेयर बेल्ट व्हिच कैरीज this coal for a very important thermal power plant of Reliance 4000 megawatts ultra mega power project. So it is a very sophisticated and very important conveyor belt that runs around 20 kilometers from the coal mine that you can see from behind. Right from that coal mine up to that power plant, it runs for around 20 kilometers, this conveyor belt. And the beauty of this conveyor belt is that there's no filtrages, there's no thieves, and then there's no handling and mishandling, and then that truck mafia, you're not put to ransom. You can straight away dig out the coal from that coal mine, coal block, and mine it, and then you can transport this coal through this conveyor belt straight away to the end use plant. And the end use plant at the moment for this particular project, for this particular conveyor belt, is Sasan ultra mega power project of Reliance ADAG, the Anil Ambani Group Reliance. So you can just see that there is that handling, that big blue, that you can see that there must be a coal handling plant also, which must be near that coal mine. But at this there is this coal peripheral area that at this point you are having the coal which runs in this box type thing from the coal mine up to this point. And from here onwards, from this coal handling machinery, then it goes into the conveyor belt for around 20 kilometers through an tubed closed pipeline. ज़रा जल्दी चल लेना यार, जल्दी उसको ना ट्यूब में दिखना है, आगे में दिखाना भी है। जहाँ पर वो था ना, वो फ्लाईओवर है, फ्लाईओवर के पास में गाड़ी को रोक लेना ताकि हम उसको देखें कि भाई क्योंकि ये ऑपरेशन में है ना। आई वाज जस्ट ट्राइंग टू सी दैट दिस एक्चुअली यू कैन सी हैव अ वेरी गुड फील ऑफ द क्लोज्ड this beyond this point, this closed tubed conveyor, and so that there is no theft and no this filtrages. So this conveyor belt, tubed conveyor belt, it runs right from that particular coal mine for around 20 kilometers right up to the power plant generating 4000 megawatts of electricity for India. It's in Madhya Pradesh, of course. Very important plant, very prestigious plant. And this plant is not an imported coal based plant. It's an indigenous Indian coal based plant, and you can just see that it is covered, the conveyor is completely covered. And then the beauty and the best part about this particular conveyor is that you are having this conveyor belt propped on these what you call this pillars. So these pillars, the beauty of the pillars again is that so you need less quantity of land, and then at the same time, that's what Mr. Rana at CMPDI, that very senior man and a very of course a knowledgeable person, Mr. A.K. Rana, he was general manager, was saying that at the same time you can also use this land beneath this conveyor belt by the people also, so there will not be much of the disturbance. So this land, as we can see practically, that there is not much of disturbance. It can be used by the people, by the villagers, so they are having a double benefit. They first of all sell this land to the power plant authority, and then finally afterwards they use it also because it is standing on these pillars. So I just wanted to have a closer look on this particular thing. Yeah, this school, you can just see that there is a lot of noise also going on. These conveyors are moving. This is a closed conveyor system. These conveyors are moving and there's a lot of noise. Though the coal is not going now, but the coal will be going after some time. The moment this coal is loaded at the 0 point, then this coal through this covered conveyor belt, it runs for around 20 kilometers, taking the coal to the Sasan plant, which is a 4,000 megawatt Lines power plant, and a very wonderful one. And so the transportation of the coal right up to the power plant or right up to the coal rakes, because that train wagons, you can have it in a very secured and a very safe. Very important methodology and of transportation of the coal, so that there is no pilferages, and it is economical and it is effective, it is costly and cost effective, and it is safe also. Thank you very much. Thank you. God bless. Thank you.